today I am trying a new hair tool. This is the Revlon One Step Root Booster. I originally saw this on TikTok, or something similar to this on TikTok, but it was $100 and this one was more affordable. And I've had the regular Revlon One Step. Actually, this is the 2.0. I had the 1.0 and now I have this one because I love it so much. This is literally all I use to dry my hair. But the people that were using this one, it gave them so much volume and it made their hair look so good. So I wanted to try it. I'm looking for something like this one. I really like the big original one. I really like for when I want my hair to just be really sleek and straight and maybe have a very slight bend on the edges. But this one is more for that voluminous, blown out, blowout look. So more volume, more curls at the ends. Everything I was reading about this, it seems like they really made it for people with short hair. I obviously have long hair. I also have very thick, coarse hair. So we'll see how it works for me. But the girl that did the review on the similar hair tool had long hair. So I'm hoping that it will work for me. A little bit about this one. So this was $59. I actually got it on sale. So I spent like I think it was $39. The original one is $69, but it's always on sale for $39. I also have a video for how I use this one. I usually wait until my hair is like 80 to 90% dry and then I'll go in with this because it gets really hot. So we'll see how hot this new one gets because I know that people who have thin hair tend to complain about this one frying their hair and damaging it. I've never experienced that, but I also let my hair air dry as long as possible before I start using it. And so today my hair, it actually might be dry. I did wash it this morning, but I didn't film this in time. So it's dry basically, but we're just gonna go back in, smooth things out and try to get some curl. I'm also gonna be using a volumizing spray. So I'm using a detangling spray already in my hair. I'll link my favorite one below. And then I'm using this is the Unite Boosta volumizing spray. This is the difference between these two. It's the shape. So the new one is a circle. I think they said it was 1.5 inches. And then the original one is oval. And then also the bristle. So if you look closely, this has that hard plastic bristle and then the brush bristles. And this one is just brush bristles. So it's a little different there, but it looks like the base of the tool is basically the same. I mean, you can see the difference here. This one's a little bit longer, but they have high, low, cool, and off. This one also has the medium option. And then the tip of this one does not come off. The tip of this one does come off, but I literally never take this off. So that is not appealing to me. If that's appealing to you, just know that that's the difference here. And then yeah, that's all that comes in the box. So let's just get started and see how it works in my hair. So when I'm trying to style my hair, because I have so much, I will usually lift most of it and pin it back. Like that. And I feel like it just gives every layer a chance to be styled and actually touch the brush. And then we're going to spray some of the volumizing spray on here. And let's just turn it up and see how it goes. So this video is now fast forwarding through me styling my hair. So this is a bit faster than when I was actually using it. But what I was doing was brushing the brush through my hair and then trying to get it to wrap around the edges. And the volumizing spray definitely helped with giving it grip. So it's surprisingly easy to use. I moved over to where the actual mirror is so you guys can see more of what I'm doing. But it's very easy to use. This tool is really shockingly easy for someone like me that really cannot figure out how to do a round brush blowout. Okay, right off the bat, I am very impressed. Look at the curl that it gave my hair. And it definitely gets hot, but it's a blow dryer. It's gonna get hot. But I mean, so far, I'm impressed. Wow. All right, now we're on the second layer of hair. So I sprayed more volumizing spray and I am just doing the same exact thing. Okay, this is after 2 rounds and I'm already obsessed with it. It's so easy to use and it's so good. Like this is exactly what I was hoping, where it would give the edges some bend. I love it.
Okay, this is after 3 layers of doing the same exact thing. I'm not going to torture you guys and make you watch it, but so far I'm about 8 minutes into styling my hair. And I think it would take about the same time if my hair was 80 to 90% dry versus right now where it's 100% dry, because I'm really just trying to style the ends. I think it might almost be easier if it was a little bit damp. Okay, now we are on the top layer. So what I do is I pin back the rest of my hair and I just focus on the very top. This is where the majority of my layers are. So whenever I'm styling my hair, this is where it can get a little bit tricky for me. I don't try to do anything fancy with going in different directions or different angles with my blow dryers. I'm just not that skilled at doing that. So really, I just do the same thing, but on the top, it was easier to style it because the hair had different lengths. So I was able to get more curl. But I will say, because of the different lengths, some of the parts were blowing out of the blow dryer as I was going. So just a heads up, it can be a little bit more frustrating if you have a lot of layers, but still, this tool is so easy to use. It took me about probably 11 minutes to do my whole head, which to me is a win. I think that's shockingly easy. It takes me about that same amount of time to curl my hair, and I just loved the finished result. So I tried to get a little fancy in the front because that is where my hair is the shortest, and I wanted to give myself some kind of swoop. And you can see here where, look, I did. It was actually so shockingly easy. I know I keep saying that, but it's because it's true. This tool really is so easy to use. On this side, I just kind of stuck with the same pattern I did on the rest of my head, and I still got that same swoop. So you don't have to be super crafty with this to get amazing results. I mean, look.
Okay, wow, I really like it. It definitely gives you more volume than the original, and I feel like it still made my hair look and feel really sleek. The volumizing spray, I could tell, definitely helped, so I do want to try it just with no spray and see how it will curl my hair. I think it will still curl, it's just more like the longevity of it. This looks like a professional blowout, and that my hair feels great. So a couple of thoughts on the device. Hot, gets very, very hot. So you definitely probably want to put it on low, and then also the top part gets hot. So while I had the volumizing spray in my hair, sometimes when I was brushing it through, it would catch. Like I could feel that the volumizing spray was really gripping, which is the point, that's what you want. So then I would try to grab the top and pull it out, and it's hot. But besides that, I really like it a lot. I'm very impressed. I highly recommend this tool. Go get this. It's so good. It worked on my long, thick, coarse hair. I feel like it would work on anyone's hair. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, review, subscribe to my channel. I do reviews like this all the time. Hit that like button and hit that notification so you're notified next time I create a video.